Hey, what's up, guys? This is Oswald here with Enthusiast Trader. Today is September 18th. Where today, in this video, I will review the trades that I took on September 17th, and also the trades that I'm interested in taking for September 21st. That is Monday. All right, let's get right into it. So let's look at the market outlook, how we're looking. Uh, so we put in a new low under the 50 period moving average. We closed under that, which is bearish. We have room to go down to 327 or 323, 319, 313, all the way down to 310. Uh, but I think you know, we either consolidate sideways or lower. I don't really see the market going higher, but I could be wrong. The Qs, same scenario. They are looking lower. They put in a new low. They have room all the way to 251. All right, now let's review my closed positions for today. The positions that I closed today was TDOC. I closed in the pre-market at $200, just because the market was, looking like it wants to go lower, and I wanted to. I was in my position was at 195, so I did not want it to. Uh, I did not want it to take a loss. So, but however, this morning it just rallied off the open, and it didn't stop. So it didn't stop until 209. So I missed out on that, but I'm okay as long as I make the money. NIO also I closed at 1960, which is also good because right now it's gapping, but it's kind of lower right now from where I closed. So those two positions I closed. Oh, I also closed KC. I closed KC at 38.40. My entry was 37.55 on this break. 38.40. I could have, closed a little higher, but this still looks higher as long as this holds. But again, like I said, I wanted to shave off my long positions. I closed Sage, SAGE. My entry was $60.69. Basically, I got in here yesterday, um, somewhere around here at $60, and I closed this at 61.75. However, it went all the way to 62.45, which was my target. It closed earlier, which I shouldn't have, but again, the markets are really choppy, and I'm in profit protection mode right now. Um, Another one I closed was STNE. This is a bummer because I got in here at 53.25, and this went all the way to 55. I did not close this position, hoping that this would make a move higher, but it did not. It broke this wedge, and now it was lower. So I took a loss on this position. Um, Today I took some profits on PRTY. I got in at 305. I sold some at 325. But check this out. If Party can break 325, this, we can have some fireworks, right? So this can go higher. This can go to 435 at the very least. There is nothing to hold this thing back, right? So $4, 408, 430, not 408, but 435 at the very least. So I'm holding on to few shares, but I did close some. I did close few shares. Sorry about that. Um, So this morning, the trade that I took was ACAD. I got in here, right? I like this reversal pattern that it had going. I got in here in the, right off the open. I got in ACAD at, what did I get in? Let me see. ACAD was okay, 41.14. So right at the open, I got in at 41.14. Made a nice move in our favor. I'm still holding on to ACAD. I'm hoping that it will, move positively in our direction, at least to 44 bucks. At which point I will I will look to take profits. Also, because of the declining 200 period moving average, more than likely it will pivot back. But I'm keeping an open mind, and if it busts right through it, then I'll hold to possibly a new high at 53. So you never know. So I will play it by play by ear, and we'll see how that goes. So ACAT, I'm in the money today. I took DE. Um, I took this at the breakout of 220, this pre-market breakout. So I got in at 222. It was showing really good relative strength, and with a stop loss right under here, 219, and it moved really nice in our favor. I got out of this trade because of a day trade, 224.60, which 62 right here is where I got out. 224.90 was the high of the day, or rather 225.38 was the high of the day. Excuse me. But uh, that was that. I took EQT today. EQT was also showing some relative strength. The market I got in here somewhere around 15.25. Oh, excuse me, 15.25, and then it failed to move any higher. It went to 15.40, but then I stopped at a break even. Plug. I took plug here at 13.38. I should have held on to this. My stop loss was right here, 13.23, but then I raised my stop loss and got out of it at 13.29, which I shouldn't have done that. But I raised the stop loss and it took me out. So plug was a losing trade, but DE and ACAD were the winning trades for today. All right, so let's look into my open positions. I have Amazon, which is struggling really bad. It's not good. Apple, is also struggling. I mean, they could go all the way to 100 bucks here, which I'm okay with. I'll add if it goes down that far. Amazon also has room to go down to 27.84. I'm okay with that also because I will look to add at that point. Um, and then I have, of course, we talked about party, and then now I have UPS long. I'm holding UPS. I got in at 163. It's at 159. Uh, Not looking too good, but I'm holding on. Lowe's, LOW, I got in at 170, and it's at 160 now. Another stock that was beating down with the market, now was struggling a little bit. I would probably look to close this position if we don't move, if we don't gap up on Monday. So looking to close out of LO with a loss. Uh, RH at 385 is currently trading at 378, which isn't too bad. We're seeing some sideways movement, not really a downward movement. It's leaving some bottoming tails, which I like. So I think this can really move up in our favor. Um, Again, Nvidia um, got in at 517. I think that was a high entry. This level right here, guys, at 468 is a double bottom and also to 50 period moving average. So I am looking to add at 468 if it gets there. Um, so I don't want to take a loss on this one, but I will look to add to NVIDIA if it ever gets there. All right, that's it for my long positions. Now let's talk about the ones I'm interested in. Right off the bat, CEMI. I talked about this in several of my videos, and if you're subscribed to my channel, you probably have seen this. I really like this over this break of 440. I got in once at 440, but then I think I got in somewhere. I don't remember where I got in, but I should have held on to this. I think I got in on this candle and then it went down and then I closed out. But this was really nice to trade from 440 to at least 470, which it hit this morning, right? Today it hit 470. But what I like about this is it is still higher. So if this breaks 480, and then if it takes out this, um, I think this the red is 50 period moving average. If it takes out this 50 period moving average, then I'm interested at 480 all the way to 544. Semi is my top watch for Monday. Next up is Party PRTY. Uh, I'm holding this position, but I will add at the 324 break. If it breaks 324, I am looking to add because, like I said, there is nothing holding this all the way to 438. I think semi party could be a runner if it breaks 325. My top watch for Monday also. So party uh, and semi. Next up is HOLX. I like HOLX if it can break this high 64.25. It's a reversal pattern going sideways on higher volume. That's the key, guys. So you see the volume is constantly increasing on higher volume. It put in a solid green candle while the market was trending lower yesterday, and today also it put a doji bar, a green one at that. So if this can break 64.27, I am a buyer of HOLX to move to looking for this to move, make a move higher. Mist, MIST. I wanted to get into Mist at 840. I talked about it in my previous videos. Also, I did not get in. I think that has been the trend uh, in the past few days that I'm not getting into the trades that I am liking. I should have been in this one at 840. I did not get in. However, I still like this one to move to make a move higher to 980, $9, 980. So missed if it doesn't gap too much. I am looking to enter this, but I will put a stop loss like somewhere around 820, somewhere around here 820. If it doesn't move in my favor, I'm out of this one. Uh, so mist is a tier 2 watch. So tier 1 our party, what else we had? We had party semi, PRTY, CEMI, and then mist. And then HOLX is also tier 1. EQT, I like how this put in a green day when the market was going red and on increased volume. This can make a move higher all the way up to $16, 16.85 right here. Um, So I am a buyer if this shows relative strength in the market. Again, my stop loss would be somewhere around this 1480. If it's a failed breakout, then I'm out. But it showed really good relative strength today, and I think we'll have a continuation move. And also this descending wedge breakout. It had a descending wedge. It broke out of it, put in a solid green day on increased volume, a bottoming tail. It has all the bells and whistles that I look for in a trade. SAGE. Oh, this one is up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days in a row. It could be tired, but if this moves higher, then I'm looking to buy this, at this break of 62.50. It needs to show some relative strength in the market. Maybe I'll wait for 63 to form and then look to trade up to 70. But again, if this gives me a failed breakout, if it goes down, I am quickly out of that trade. The next up is LOY. Same thing, guys. Descending wedge breakout, private pivots. What was a support earlier became resistance. Resistance breakout above the 50 period moving average. I am looking to buy this, somewhere around this 155 mark. 155, traded all the way up to 167 or 164 even. So this is also my top watch. DE. Oh, I love this one. Oh, this is the one I had gotten. I had gotten DE this break at 221.97 or 222, and then it failed. But then it tried again. But look today. Today I had on increased volume. It put in a green day, and post market is trading higher. But that's beside the point. So DE after this nice consolidation sideways is looking to move higher. DE, I am buying this if the market does not gap down Monday. If it's not a significant gap in DE, I am getting in first day Monday morning. DE is my top watch, guys. Uh, so I said I have a lot of top watches, uh, but the ones that I'm really, really, really interested in is DE, uh, and then CEMI. Okay, so CEMI, DE, and MIST. I am uh, interested in these ones at the levels mentioned. If you like to trade along with me, please join the Discord channel where I announce my trades, my entries, my exits, and also post my videos there before I post on YouTube. I also answer any of your questions you have, and we just discuss a lot of stuff, uh, review your trade ideas, and whatnot. All right, guys, don't want to make this video too long. Have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your comments on what do you think I could do better, or if my picks are not good, or whatever you feel like. Leave your suggestions or your comments in the comment section. Give a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. All right, thank you. Thanks a lot, guys. See you.